Yes, darling. You calling me? You want some more food, is it? Coming back for supper? For tea time? You coming back for tea, is it? Or for dinner? Which one? Yeah, I've covered for you. Save it for you. You know I have to open up for you, right? Go. It's your pear from this morning. I'll save it for you. See, other birds are here. Oh, going home. Pigeon. Pigeon is living up there now. So you can't go home there. Kru-kru-kru. 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 Kru-kru. Come. There's plenty of pear for you for the whole day. I know you can't eat more than that. This is definitely the little baby that has grown up. The baby that used to come with the parents. So the parents have gone elsewhere and he's on his own. Sometimes the mother comes and checks on him to see that he's doing well. Yeah. Have a nice day, everyone. Take care of yourself during this COVID-19. Yeah. Stay home and be safe. Wash your hands and keep everything very, very hygienic.